Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. And today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can sign in and out easily of your OneDrive account. To do so, all you have to do is first of all be signed in one of your accounts in order to sign out. Here I am signed in my account. Now all you have to do is, in order to sign out, is simply go on to your profile option on the top right side of your screen, and you can see that after clicking on it you can see this pop-up appear. From here, if you click on sign out, you can simply sign out of your account, where now if you want to log into another, you can put in your account. Or an easy process is, if you want to sign in with a different account than the one you're currently logged in, all you have to do is sign in with a different account. Simply click on it and it will take you to this kind of screen, where now you can simply put in the email and the password of the different account that you want to log in into. After that, simply click on next and continue after putting your credentials, and you'll be logged into your another account. If not, if you want to sign out of your account, you can simply go on to your profile option and click on sign out. You'll be signed in and signed out of your account easily from OneDrive. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.